Here we're looking at cheek cells, and I have not added any methylene blue here in the hope that I can get a sense of what's going on without it. Oh, there we go. I would call those cheek cells for sure. Okay, now I'm going to take the cover slip and attempt to drop that in place. Pop. Okay, that's with the cover slip. You can see it doesn't make any difference at all, does it? And now I'm going to add to the edge of the cover slip the methylene blue. Okay, I'm overloading things with methylene blue. And I think I can still see my cells there, although you can see there's stuff associated with the methylene blue as well. Making sure things are in focus. You can definitely see there's stuff associated with the methylene blue. There's some cells that do indeed look like they've stained. And what I'll do is I'll center one of them. Okay, now I'm flipping over to the 10x objective. Yeah, look at that. Okay, now I'm switching over to the 40x objective, getting it into focus each time. You can see my nucleus. That is my nucleus of my cell. Yes, I'm a multicellular organism. Okay, so now we are going to, that's the 40x objective, so that's a 400-fold magnification. We're switching away out of the way the 40x objective and putting a drop of oil down and switching into place the 100x objective, and we've lost it. So this is 1,000-fold magnification, and clearly, wait, something went by there. What's happening is that the cover slip is moving as I move the focus knob. There we go. We're not going to do any better than that. So we're not going to get that into focus. But you can still, I mean, we can see that it's not attached anymore, but or it's moving with the cover slip. But that is the cell, and that is the nucleus, that dark spot that's sitting there in the middle. And unfortunately, there's no way. No, we're going to get lucky. Look at that. Okay, there we go. That's as good as we're going to get. So that is a cheek cell. It's been stained with methylene blue. It's from me, and you can see the nucleus.